Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GameGPT token. Ticker symbol is DUEL. Now this was developed by PRISM and is designed to offer an unparalleled suite of artificial intelligence gaming tools and experiences tailored for both gamers and creators. And it was just announced today that the DUEL token is getting a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings on some big central exchanges, and we're going to go over the information on the DUEL token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the GameGPT token. So it's just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on BITMART, BYBIT, Ascendex, Gate.io, LBank, and MEXC Global. Most of them are all starting tomorrow. So, for example here, trading opens tomorrow, January 12th at 9 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global. So, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. All you would have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search DUEL, and then simply just buy the token. Now, it's a brand new token. It's not even available on Uniswap right now, even though it's an Ethereum token. A lot of the times, Ethereum tokens come out first on decentralized exchanges and then the centralized exchanges. I'm looking at their Etherscan right now. It says 5 holders. Those are obviously like team wallets, marketing wallets, whatever. But yeah, no holders basically yet. 18 decimal places on this token. And it says there is a max total supply of 9,857,616,279 tokens. Now their webpage can be found at GameGPT.gg. Over there they have information about the token, the team. They have the Tokenomics on there. They have all their social links. They have a lot of socials, like a Telegram you could join. Their Telegram is at GameGPT_PRISM. And I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can see all the new announcements about listings and all that type of stuff at GameGPT Official. They also have a Discord you could join, YouTube, etc. GameGPT, AI-driven game builder, powering the next 10,000 blockchain games with one token, the DUEL token. Approved game integrations with over 150 million active users like League of Legends, Valorant, Chess.com, Destiny, PUBG, and Dota. Some cool pictures on there. Evolving GameFi with our new AI engine. Our seasoned team with experience of 2 exits has been working for 3 years to create a new game artificial intelligence engine. So they have 5,000 active players, 75,000 registered users over the past 3 years, 10,000 games powered by the DUEL token. So they have lots of charts here. It says learn more, and that will take you over to a white paper. So it says trusted by industry OGs like Animoca Brands, Placeholder, CoinFund, DAO Maker, says meet the team. They have LinkedIn addresses. It's funny, this guy's name's Devin Lovato. That sounds like Demi Lovato. But yeah, they have the LinkedIn addresses to the founder and CEO, CMO, and COO. They have like the cartoon faces. It's not their actual faces, but I mean, you can check out their LinkedIns if you want. It says create your own game. So in 3, 2, 1. So it looks like you can like, you know, make your own puzzle game, all these different types of games. They show you games that people have created. There's an RPG game, strategy game, a sci-fi shooter, all sorts of cool stuff there. So it looks like it's a cross-chain token as well. So it's not just on Ethereum. There's also a Binance Smart Chain address. Let me pull that up and see what that looks like there. So yeah, the DUEL token is powering like 10,000 games. So yeah, their BSC scan here. Also brand new. No holders yet. It just says 4 holders. So that's obviously like team wallets and stuff like that as well. 18 decimal places, and it says max total supply of 142,383,721 DUEL tokens on the BSC scan. Now, their white paper is gigantic. Now, it's got the table of contents, abstract, introducing GameGPT by PRISM, lots of cool pictures and everything like that. So today marks the next step into making a reality, introducing GameGPT by PRISM, the next evolution of PRISM, gamer-focused platform, poised to unveil a groundbreaking suite of on-chain gaming tools and experiences, scheduled to release in January 2024. And here we are. So now it says play your own blockchain mini games with the click of a button. No more tedious token and wallet setups. Just what blockchain games should be, which is fun. So you could challenge people, compete in 1v1 or group challenges. You can develop. We're putting the power into the gamers' hands. Open sourcing the AI tools we use to build games, create your own games, and host an arcade. You could swap. There's powered by the DUEL token. PRISM will provide a seamless swap system for your digital assets. There's a wallet. There's like so much stuff here. It goes over the whole platform overview. And then we got the tokenomics down here. Looks like there's another token here called the RAIN token as well. It's like dual token economy. They have, I mean, if you want to go over all this insane stuff, like there's so much information. Vesting, there's staking. There's RAIN to DUEL conversion. So like DUEL is probably like the main token, and then we got RAIN, which is like the probably like the in-game token. You convert them. That's why they're talking about a swap. There's the LP staking. They go over that. Direct staking. Staking, you can spend your staking rewards. There's bonuses. Token distribution on here as well. And it's split up between creator program, public sale, team and advisors, exchange liquidity, operations, marketing, ecosystem fund, airdrops, launchpad, staking, private, token conversion, etc. I mean, too much information to go over in a short video, but I mean, you can check this all out at prism-whitepaper.gitbook.io. You can go to their webpage, gamegpt.gg. You can find this token listed starting tomorrow on a ton of central exchanges, including MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.